She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party.
Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, Aspen here. So today I am back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, or as you can tell by the thumbnail, you already know what's poppin'. Today I am back with a hair tutorial, I guess you can call it. So this is my hair, guys. I was gonna do this in two separate videos to show you guys how I went from black to blonde, and then a part two of how I went from blonde to gray. But I mean, black to blonde is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll just go over that part really quickly. So if you guys want to see how I went from this to this, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so step numero uno. By the way, if you missed my Mexico vlog, my solo woman travels to Mexico, check that out. I'll have that link down below. So the first step I did, oh, and if you missed me, shaving my head off, that's down below. And if you missed my family reacting to my shaved head, that's down below. Shut up, Nala. Check those videos out, guys. So step number one, I bleached my hair with the BW2 bleach and a 30 volume developer. My hair was being so stubborn, guys. It did not want to lift. I left it on for like 45 minutes and it came out super duper yellow. So then I bleached it again right after, back to back, and same process. BW2 with 30 volume developer, left it on for like 30 minutes, so total like an hour and a half. The next day I bleached it again. I know, guys, I know I don't want to hear any comments, oh my god, you bleached your hair that many times. First of all, guys, I have no hair. Like, okay, if it's gonna get damaged, it's gonna grow out in a week. Like, all the dead ends are gonna grow out in a week and I can just cut it again. So, but I would not advise you doing that if your hair is not this short to where you don't really care about damaging it. Don't bleach your hair that much. But anyways, the second day I used a Kaleidoscope Colors blue. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's Kaleidoscope Colors blue. They have like purple, blue, different ones. I used the blue one because it was coming out super yellow, and it actually does work. So it came out more of a neutral undertone, and I left that on for like 30 minutes. So then after that, so from that point I was blonde. So the only reason I bleached it again the second time, because it didn't come out blonde enough for me in order to go gray. I know if I'm toning it, the blonde, and by the way, guys, I'm not a licensed cosmetologist at all, but I do know your hair has to be to a certain level in order for a certain toner to take to it, if that makes sense. I don't know, you guys will have to do your own research. You can just throw a gray dye on top of it and it'll obviously like attach to it. But if you want to go the toner route, you have to get it pretty white for like the T18 or the T14 toner to work. So anyways, after that I toned it. I went to Sally's and I bought T14 and I bought 050 by Wella. I didn't end up using the T14. I used the 050. She told me that that would turn it super duper gray, and it did. So you guys know, I'm sure you've seen videos toning with the Wella T18. It turns like this light lilac purple. Well, the 050 turned like jet black purple, like super duper dark purple, and I was like, dang, this is pretty dark. So I was like, okay, this is gonna come out really, really dark. But then I ended up washing it out, and it wasn't that bad. It was darker than I wanted it, but honestly on camera and with this ring light, and I'm in daylight right now, it looks like a sandy blonde. It's not. It's like a dark gray. So I put the 050 Wella toner with a 10 volume developer. Do not use anything higher than a 10. I used a 10 volume developer, and it said on the box to leave it for up to 30 minutes but no longer than 45 minutes. And I believe I left mine on for like about 30. The toner burned, guys. The tone, I don't know, maybe you should tone it on a different day, or I don't know if it's because my pores were open, because I toned it right after bleaching. That toner had my head on fire. I don't even think I left it the whole 30 minutes. I left it like 25 minutes and I rinsed it out. And this is the color that I got, guys. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. This video went way faster than I thought. So if you guys want me to go in depth, there's really nothing else to go in depth about, right? Like, there's a ton of videos on YouTube. I'll be sure to insert before pictures when I first cut my hair, pictures of or videos when I was blonde, and then pictures and video of how the gray looks. And yeah, that was it. And it's been like this for, this is like my 3rd day, I believe. But I'll definitely be doing updates, growth updates, because my hair has grown so much since I cut it, guys. Like, I cut it at a garden #1. It was so short. You can see like so much scalp. Now I have like no scalp showing. It has grown out a lot. So yeah, I'm probably gonna excuse me, have to bleach like every 3 weeks, depending on how fast my hair grows out. Like, because I don't want to have like roots showing. Sometimes that could be a look, like, you know, because if it grows out fast enough, then it'll be like the tits. I don't know. I'm gonna just paste it and see how fast my hair grows. But I know I'm probably gonna have to bleach at least once a month, just because I have a short haircut. So, like, you know what I mean? The roots are gonna grow out, and yeah. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. If I left anything out, I will have it linked down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more pictures. My Instagram is @Aspen Danyiel. That'll be down below. And my Snapchat is @Aspen Danyiel. And let me know what you guys think, guys. I got so much feedback on when I first cut it. A lot of people commented on my video. Like, I got a lot of good feedback. So yeah, let me know if you guys like the gray and your guys' opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dubs.